What's up, everyone? I am excited to show you some quick FSA and HSA savings tips for general household and health related items. My beef with HSA and FSA is it's complex and confusing. How does this benefit me? I have to get a debit card, I have to spend stuff, I have to send receipts. How does this work? But the good news, and what I'm going to show you in this video, is Amazon has FSA and HSA relatable expenses and a quick and easy way to buy stuff on the site, and it automates everything. You can save 30% on items like these that you have all around your house. So let's dive into it. As I was saying, when I was in college and I had graduated, I got my first job and they had an FSA or HSA plan, and I just really didn't understand it. You could put away something like $3,000 a year, and that would be untaxed income, which would lower your gross annual earnings, and put it into an account in which you could spend money on healthcare related expenses. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about buying glasses or going to the emergency room or seeing your psychiatrist. What I'm going to talk about is saving money on household items like Tylenol, like Advil, and things like this. So when I had originally signed up right out of college, I signed up for one of these things and had this stupid store that was like archaic and everything was overpriced and it sucked. But now all this crap has been on Amazon for 2 or 3 years, and you can save 20 to 30% depending on how much money you make according to the IRS. And you can just buy this stuff now on Amazon, and it automates all the receipts. So all you need to do is go to Amazon and type in FSA HSA store, click on it, and it's going to give you thousands and thousands of items, name brand stuff that you can buy. This is everything from like blood pressure monitoring systems, scales to weigh yourself, Advil, Tylenol, feminine products, denture. There's all kinds of stuff. Lens cleaning product. They just clean to my glasses, but like you can also clean, your camera, your binoculars, like different electronics with this. But really, all this stuff everybody buys, and I bet your average person spends $250 to $500 a year on this stuff. And if you have kids or you live with a significant other, you probably spend $500 plus on this item guaranteed. So here's a really quick just example of what I bought. I spent about $100 on all these items, and it was tax-free. So this is exciting. I bought a first aid kit. This is going in my car on Amazon. Bayer aspirin. This is a specific one for back and body because I have back issues that hurt really bad. You can get Advil, Tums, Neosporin, nasal decongestant, Gas X, like Tylenol, everything, Benadryl, Neosporin, the list goes on and on. So what I do is I buy all this stuff, right? And I just like stock up my medicine cabinet. And then when these little expenses come up throughout your daily life, oh, I got a cold, I need a Tylenol here and Advil there and Pepto-Bismol here, whatever. I just buy all this stuff in one lump sum every year using FSA through Amazon, and it's super easy. That's it. End of video. So sign up for FSA or HSA if your health care, your employer provides it, and then stop buying all this stuff over the counter and stop paying retail for it. Lower your taxable income a little bit, $2,000 to $3,000 a year by signing up for this, and buy all this stuff, and then also use it for all your doctor's visits, emergency room, glasses, dental work, and co-payments and things like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you found this helpful. I am still pumped that I found out Amazon provides this because I've been using this archaic website that my employer provided for a long, long time, and I hope you can find value in it. If you did, please comment and subscribe to check out my content.